Real simple. Okay? Off kids, off there. See how easy it is. See, simple. Nothing to it. Nothing to it. Okay. Now that you've seen our young men demonstrate it for you, we'd like to have our first contestant, number one, up on the stage to do it in front. We're going to do two at a time. The first two gentlemen, one and two. One and two, not going to do it in front of the judges. Now, gentlemen, remember, you're impressing the judges. Are you ready? Kids. Remember, keep your eye on the judges. They're the judges. They're going to decide who wins. The Schuhplattler is actually recording this. And so this is very traditional. Try to show off in front of the ladies. Okay, number one and two. Give them a big hand. Number three and four. Okay, now number three and four, you've seen one and two good. Now let's see what you guys can do. Remember, you're impressing the judges who are right in front of you.